Nteto chetu munini wa RAIS Profesa Abraham Kîthûre Kîndikî na ANYUITE MUUMA UBICI na munini wa RAIS wa BATHATU RUUNGU wa KATIBA yenjero ya 2010 na wa 13 kuma Kenya irajukia uchiathi kire mambura daraja kuthithikirite kienine Kenyomba ya michebanio ya KICC NAIROBI Kîndikî na ANYUITE MUUMA kujukia UBICI yawe arambe annex NYUMA ya Rigathi Gachagua kweberwa ni mbunge ya seneti na koti kugitega mbara kumwitikiria kujukia UBICI Kîndikî kuthingatene na mwekuru wawe na ugite ati akathikira RAIS na ate muringa nthiguru kiri uritunguge bwawe Finyasimana adina report tariria.
I KITHURE Kîndikî
Ntuko yeruare kwetariki emwe mweri wa Novemba mwakene yongiriele mirongo ine nya ntuko itekerewethirani ndekiola kire history ya nthiguru ya Kenya nontuni ntuko Profesa Abraham Kîthûre Kîndikî ANYUITE MUUMA no tuika munini wa RAIS wa BATHATU ndene ya nthiguru ya Kenya.
Your Excellency President William Ruto, Your Excellency First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto, all protocols as already established, I ride on them.
Nirwaria mbere ro Profesa Abraham Kîthûre Kîndikî nyuma ya kunyumuma na gutuika munini wa RAIS ontobura nindi ethirite akiuga kieti kiu arwa BATHATU rungu rwa katiba ya 2010.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Kîndikî nachoketie nkatho ki RAIS Ruto nontubo muchala na kinyaka imba niteyo kikyo mwa utungata ari munini wa RAIS.
Explain how grateful I am today. I'll say that I am grateful to Almighty God who orders the steps and the affairs of every human being on earth. I am grateful to you, sir, for the honor you have given me.
Na ithurite mbere ya RAIS ati kwa miaka 20 na ithurite ari murito woke wa kwewa mantu yegi siasa ontokuwa na thomete bunene kuma kiriwe.
Your Excellency, I've been your political student for nearly 20 years now, and nothing in the political space has helped me to pick up lessons more than the years that I have worked and served around you in various capacities.
Omburite na wikira RAIS urane ati muringanthi ende akairutaniria kendo tira ni bakuingia mawirane kire Kenya.
I promise you before this congregation and before God that I will not let you down for the privilege you have given me. Your Excellency, sir, in the same breath of gratitude, I am grateful to all the institutions who have facilitated this process, including the ceremony we are having today.
Profesa atiole kinyochokeria nkatho njaye kiara wetete kinyamwekuro ke Joyce Kîthûre no muchokeria nkatho ne kurwa mana njekie kinyakara kaingie we Kîthûre Kîndikî therengwe ne thirikari na kwa mwekuro ke na irutaniritie kiutiera njeki ni witana mbere urakwagirite.
Allow me, Your Excellency, today on a moment like this one to thank my wonderful wife Joyce Kîthûre, a woman who has sacrificed, a professional in her own right, but who has sacrificed to raise our 3 children, Imani, Neema, and Mwende.
Munini wa BATHATU wa RAIS nonanitie kinya witikania na umbani bwantu bondende ni andiguru akiwa kona nwa kinyete hau otimuntu atiombo kinyara kwenda ndeni andiguru.
Your Excellency, I was born 52 years ago in one of the remotest parts of Kenya. But because Kenya is the land and the homeland of possibilities, today, I, perhaps the most unlikely person, is standing here today because Kenya has made it possible for anybody to become anything in this country.
Narikiretie na kuwaka watambaru rais na idhiri akiwatanira kinya na tungiria bangi kendo chokaniria Kenya na kinya wiki andegura Kenya mbere.
To commit to you before this congregation and before the Almighty God, who is acknowledged in the Constitution, that I will serve under you and provide you with the assistance and support you require to take this country to the next level.
Profesa Kîthûre Kîndîkî ayukitie atike nyuma ya Rigathi Gachagua kwithira nindia kiebela kuotongeria ni mbunge nene untobolikithirwe ni mbunge ya Senate na kinya ntuku ya oro koti omba kwithira ikirita watho burapo rigiritie Kîndikî kunyuthwa MUUMA. Phineas Imana Werunjuma.